The Prophet of Allah sallallahu ta'ala wasallam said that amongst those things that benefit a believer after he passes away are as follows. Number 1, knowledge that he acquired and passed on to others. Number 2, a pious child that he left behind. Number 3, a copy of the Quran that he passed on to others. Number 4, a masjid that he built. Number 5, a house that he made for travelers. Number 6, a river that he made to flow. And number 7, charity that he passed away when he was in full health. Once again, Dawat-e-Islami, the non-political movement of Quran and Sunnah, is giving you the golden opportunity to make your life content not only in this dunya, but in the hereafter as well. This new Faizan-e-Madina building is being purchased in Malabar Road, Leicester, UK. The cost of this building is approximately £834,000. The Prophet of Allah sallallahu ta'ala wasallam has said that whoever builds a masjid for Allah, Allah will build a house for him likewise in paradise. My dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani channel, Dawat-e-Islami is appealing to you to make a change, to help us financially, so that we can make a change not only in Leicester, but in the UK and all around the world, so that we can create a better Islamic community for all of us.
Bank name HSBC. Account name Dawat-e-Islami North. Account number 922153330. Sort 404511.
सल्लु अला हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।